Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set shipping charges based on total cart weight for specific country in WooCommerce WordPress. So there are two scenarios. First is you can apply shipping charges based on total cart weight for specific country and disable selling or shipping to all other countries. And another scenario is you can set shipping charges based on total cart weight for specific country, but for all other countries you can set shipping charges global. So in this video we are going to work on first scenario. So we are going to set shipping charges based on cart weight for specific country and disable selling and shipping to all other countries. So we are in cart page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add plugin. Then in search plugin write WooCommerce weight based shipping. So this is plugin WooCommerce weight based shipping we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see WooCommerce and then you see settings. So click on it. So we are in WooCommerce setting. In general tab now you see multiple option. In general option now you see selling location, sell to all countries. Now select. So you can select country according to requirement. Now you see sell to specific country. So now select. So you can add country like United States of America, India, Pakistan, United Kingdom, any country. So we are going to add Pakistan. Now you see sell to specific countries, Pakistan, shipping. Now you see ship to specific countries only. Again select Pakistan. So you can select USA, UK, any country, Canada. Now select and then click on save changes. So this is our first scenario. Now setting saved and then you see shipping tab. So click on it. So we are in shipping tab and then you see weight based shipping. So this is our global setting and then you see shipping zone. So this is our zone name worldwide. Now you see shipping method free shipping. So click on edit. So we are in shipping zone worldwide. Now you see shipping method. So first we are going to delete it. Okay. And then we are going to add weight based shipping. Now you see add shipping method. So click on it. Now you see weight based shipping. So after activating plugin you will see this option. Now select and then click on continue and then you see edit button. So click on it. Now you see loading. So we are in weight based shipping. Now you see method title. So first we are going to delete all and then we are going to create. Now you see add first rule. So click on it. So you can add title. So we added title shipping charges above 10 kg destination. Now select. So in WooCommerce we only select Pakistan. So that's why now you see Pakistan only country here. You don't see any other country. And then you see product all. Now you see weight. Now select. Now you see from 0 kg. Now add 0. And then you see up to excluding. So now we are going to add 10 kg. It's mean 0 to 9 we are going to charge some value. Up to excluding mean 10 is not excluding in this weight. Now click on OK. So this is 0 to 9. So we are going to change it below. So we don't add any value. Now you see shipping free. So you can select free shipping, flat rate shipping, progressive, flat plus progressive. So first we are going to add flat. Now $20. Okay. If you want you can add some note. So if our weight is below 10 kg then we are going to charge $20. Again we are going to add more rules. So click on add rule. So you can add title. So you can create multiple rules according to requirement. So we added shipping charges above 10 kg destination any. So we have only Pakistan. Now you see product all weight. Now select. Now add 10. In this shipping rule 10 is excluding. So that's why we add here. And then you see up to excluding infinity. So up to maximum. Okay. Now you see value any. We don't add any value. Now you see shipping free. Now you see progressive. Progressive mean on each weight increase your price will be increased. Flat plus progressive mean. Now select. Now you see charge. So for first 10 kg we are going to charge $25. Then we are going to charge $5 every 5 kg increase. So you can set rule according to requirement. So this is our flat plus progressive, and then click on OK. So you can add some note. So it's up to you, and then click on save. Now save done, go to cart page and refresh the page. So our weight is, now you see 180 kg. Now you see shipping charges above 10 kg 195. So we are going to remove product from cart. Now remove done. Now you see total weight 60 kg. Now reduce 1, update cart. But this product has 13 kg. Now you see shipping charges above 10 kg 45. Now back to rule. Now you see 25 plus 5. So 25 is flat rate for 10 kg. Above 10 kg we have 20 kg extra weight. So you can increase $5 per 5 kg. So 25 plus 20 is equal to 45. So in this way you can set multiple rules. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.